Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we will talk about how to enable phone aeroplane mode. So friends, you want to enable your aeroplane mode in your phone and guys Android phone. So guys, how can you on it? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to enable your airplane mode. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Oppo phone. Then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your phone connection and sharing option. Friends, tap here. And guys, first setting guys, you can see your aeroplane mode. So friends, how to enable it? So if you want to enable, so you can enable from this right side. After enable guys, you cannot use guys your mobile data setting, and guys you cannot use your personal hotspot setting. It will off guys. Guys, you can use guys your download movies, listening song. You can use it. So like that guys, you can enable your airplane mode in your Oppo phone guys, and guys nobody can call you, or guys no, you cannot call your friends and anyone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.